Hello children. In the previous section in the biology we studied about asexual reproduction and three of its type. As earlier I told you about the asexual reproduction that it has 6 types. 3 we studied already, the fission, budding and spore formation. Now today we are going to discuss next 3 asexual reproduction types. The fourth one is vegetative propagation. It is a kind of asexual reproduction which is found mostly in plants. In asexual reproduction, one vegetative propagule is formed by the plant which produces the new plant. This vegetative propagule is asexual part of plant which produces the new plant. This type of asexual reproduction, just because of being propagule, is known as vegetative propagation. You must be knowing about certain examples of vegetative propagation, such as you must have seen eye birds in potato. So eye bird is vegetative propagule of potato. From eye bird, new potato plant comes out. In ginger you must have seen certain adventitious roots. These adventitious roots produce new plants when they are grown in garden. So adventitious root is vegetative propagule of ginger. In the same manner, there is one special type of plant found which is bryophyllum, in which what happens, it is a leaf like plant in which from leaves one new plant comes out. From the leaves, the new part which comes out is known as leaf bud. And this leaf bud gets detached from the main plant and produces a new plant of bryophyllum. This leaf bud is vegetative propagule of bryophyllum. In the same manner, there is one more plant which is known as water hyacinth. It is also known as Eichhornia. It is also known as terror of Bengal. This plant is a very fast growing invasive weed which was brought to India for its beautiful and a different kind of shape flower. It was brought in India by Britishers in the first of their colonies in West Bengal. That is why it is also known as terror of Bengal, because it consumes the entire oxygen of all the water bodies wherever it is found and kills all the flora and fauna of the lake ponds. In this water hyacinth, the vegetative propagation, that means asexual reproduction, is done by offset. That means, such as this is a plant, and again here is another branch of plant, and between these two branches this space is known as offset. This offset produces new plant. In the same manner, bulbil is a propagule of agave. In the same manner, in onion, the propagule is bulb. Now the next part is fragmentation. In fragmentation, what happens? This is mostly found in algae, eulothrix or Spirogyra such as. In this what happens? The parent body converts itself in the favorable condition into segments, into several segments. These segments are known as fragments. Each and every fragment attaches itself to a surface and produces the new eulothrix or Spirogyra, that means a new plant body. This type of asexual reproduction through fragments is known as fragmentation. It is mostly done in favorable condition by algae and eulothrix. Algae, that means Eurothrix or Spirogyra are the examples. Regeneration, it's a very simple kind of asexual reproduction in which if any part of that particular animal who does regeneration is accidentally cut, then each and every part can produce another new young animal or offspring. This is mostly done by hydra, starfish, planaria and other animals. In this, each and every cell of hydra, starfish and planaria is known as totipotent cell. That means a cell who has power to generate the entire new organism. So this is all 6 kind of asexual reproduction. Next we are going to discuss about sexual reproduction.